So he is a computer. I am going to give some instruction to him so that the computer will follow. Okay. So Vivian, so we have 3 toys here. Okay. One is a car and a cow and a dog. Okay. Can you hold this? Now I am instructing the computer to do some task. Okay. First I am instructing the computer. I am giving the task 1. Print Seely Joyet Porchin. Prince Lee Joyet Porchin. This is a command I am giving to him. He is a computer, I am giving the command. So he is surprised. He doesn't understand that. Okay, let's move on to the next task. Princely Jovet Vache. Do you understand? No. So shall we go to the task 3? Princely Jovet voucher. You don't understand. So look at, I have given a command. Everyone watch closely. I have given this computer some commands, but a computer does not understand it. As a computer does not able to understand that, the computer unable to do the task. Is unable to do the task. Okay. So now I am moving further. Okay. Now I am going to give some command. Okay. I am going to give task 1. Take the dog toy. Come on, very good. Shall we clap for him? So I'm going to give this. I'm going to give the second task. Take the cow toy. Yeah, the computer is now performing the task. It's executing the instruction. Watch, guys. So third task I'm going to give. Take the car toy. Yeah, the computer is amazing. So whatever I ask the computer to do, it exactly follows. Okay. So this is a good computer, right? But what happened when I give this task? The computer is unable to perform. Any guesses? So she is saying this is not in the proper format the computer can understand it. Any other reasons? Any guesses? No, I am giving program. I am giving the task. That is nothing but program. Right? But the computer is unable to understand. Any guesses why? Yeah, come on. So yeah, because the computer does not know the language, as she said. What else? Come on.
Language. Because we need to use the programming language.
Yeah, this is also program. Yeah, okay. We need a programming language. Yeah, okay. Proper rules. Okay, good. Sounds good. So, Sean, you want to say something? Okay. So, are you guys getting what I'm saying? So, I given this instruction. Though it's instruction, the computer does not understand it. But when I give this instruction, take the dog toy, take the cow toy, take the car toy, the computer is able to understand that. So, yeah. So, the programming language is a language the computer should be able to understand. Okay. If the computer doesn't understand that, then what will happen? The computer will stay idle and look for it, is throw some errors. I don't know. I don't know what you're telling. Okay. So we need a programming language to talk to the computer. You guys are getting what I'm saying? Any questions? Come on. Thanks, Vivian. Give them a big round of applause.